Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Prime Minister inaugurated the International Exhibition Centre at Purbanchal in Dhaka, Bangladesh.
Caption News on equipment placement of HUM's 1250 TPD multi-seed preparation.
First year anniversary and introductory meeting of Sylhet Division Auto Rice Mill Owners Association was held.
Caption News on the participation of Urkia in the IAOM Maya Expo in Dubai.
Imports are gradually increasing in Bangladesh due to low production of lentils.
IAND undertakes 6,000 TPD soybean crushing project.
Prices of pulses in India by area till October 16, 2021.
Enrollment open for GEEP's 2022 Safety Awards program.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Mill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.